Everyone! Today is a great day. I greet you all. We are dancing because the gods spared our lives. Yes. I see joy in your faces. Children are strong. Women are proud. Our men stand tall. Our young bands are not empty. The rivers still flow. Our enemies fear us. As long as I'm still on this throne, no man will stand against you. I am your voice before the gods. You go again. You go again. You go again. You go. You can speak. This is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere. Yes. Something is wrong. You wait. Guys. What is it, man? You wait. Hey!
Can I say something? Even if it is one word, show them you're still the man of Umuago.
Hi! Is it that the gods have sealed the mouth of the lion? What has Umuago committed that our king has gone dumb? Right. Ndibani, this is a bad sign. A bad sign indeed. The palace is the heart of the land. And if the palace cannot speak, how can the land live? How can the whole body live? No, tell me. How?
Do not speak as if my husband is dead already. He still lives. His eyes still see. And his hands still command. Wanyoma,
don't talk like you don't know the truth. You know the truth. Listen to me. If the king cannot speak, of course the people will lose faith. Just go out there. Already they've started gossiping. Yes. Ho ho ho, here and there. Ho ho. Already they are talking. Don't talk like you don't know the truth. My king, we can see your anger. But for how long will this kingdom be ruled by silence and signs?
Please, my chiefs, do not leave him know that he needs us most. Let us summon the chief priest. Let us seek the will of the gods. If the king's mouth is still closed, then the gods hold the key. Please do not leave us down. Please.
Lord, now you speak like the wise woman you are. What you just said is word of wisdom. My fellow chiefs, I suggest that tomorrow morning, before the sun rises, let us summon the chief priest. Let him come here. Perhaps he will tell us why the gods are angry. That's a good idea. Also, what do you say?
Yeah, I'm doing that same direction. We need to summon the chief priest to look in depth and see what went wrong.
Yes.
If the king cannot speak, then how can he transmit information to the subjects?
That's not to be true. And the people will lose faith.
They're already losing faith.
Yes.
A lot of murmuring here and there.
Yes. Let us stop pretending. Let us face what has happened. We all saw it. Happened in our eyes. The people here, they all saw it. The Igwe's mouth has been sealed by the gods. They all saw it. He cannot speak. Tell me, what king suddenly goes dumb like that? So, should we start talking of removing the Igwe so soon? His body is still strong. And his eyes still very sharp. Don't forget, he still holds the staff of authority. Okay, but who is even talking of strong body here? Strong body, does it rule a kingdom? Answer me. It is words that rule. It is judgment that guides. He cannot speak. How can he lead? How can?
The prince and queen is still here. If we definitely abandon him now, don't it look as if we are vultures waiting for me to devour?
I don't get both of you. I don't understand what you're saying. Are we no longer chiefs? We are the chiefs. It is our duty to protect the land. It's our duty to protect this kingdom. In the presence of the women, they saw what happened. In fact, Let me even tell you. The gossip will be everywhere in the town. It must have flamed up. And if we say we should maintain this silence, believe me, my co-chiefs, rebellion will rise. Rebellion!
So, what are you suggesting? That we hold a meeting without the king? Or we take decisions at his back?
If the king's voice is gone, our voice must stand. Until the gods release him, we must definitely protect the territorial integrity of this land.
So, you only speaking grammar. I want all of us to remember that the gods are watching. If we misstep, all of us, you, myself, they silence me on us. They may silence us too. We have to be very cautious.
They said at the village square today that the king lost his voice while speaking to the people before the drummers, before the masquerade, before the whole kingdom. Could it be that the gods have woken? Could it be that the spirits are answering to all the wrongs done in the land? Oh. Oh.
The gods are silent, calamity happening. Oh my God,
Are you the one they say that is new in my father's palace?
Yes, my friend.
Lift your head. Let me see your face. You're beautiful. Finer than the one that are here before you. Go to my chamber. Undress. Just serve me till midnight.
My prince, I cannot. I only came to serve the wine.
Do you know who I am? Eh? Are you not aware of what is happening in this kingdom? My father is done. Soon I will be the king of this kingdom. Don't you dare challenge me. Go to my chambers, undress, and wait for me there. You serve me till midnight. Leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now, why do you behave like a man without sense? Your father cannot speak. The kingdom is in confusion, yet you sit and drink as if the palace is a drinking joint. What is your problem?
Is it my fault that the God sealed his mouth? Or my fault? Is it my fault? Listen, Mom, those elders should worry about that, not me. This palace is secured. Eh? My position is secured. My position is secured.
Then you think like a goat.
Aye.
Then you think like a goat. Your father is weak. And as your father is weak, the kingdom shakes. The throne also shakes. And if the throne shakes, I fear your throne might not come. Yes.
Mother, who will challenge me? Who? Is it those old men with shaking hands? Or the villagers? Who? Don't tell me who. Listen, Mom. If my father cannot speak, then let my actions speak for me. Yes?
Your actions?
Yes.
Your actions, you say. Jidenna, is it beating of the guards? Chasing the maids as if you are an animal? Bringing fear into the hearts of every woman in this community? Is that the kind of voice you want to speak for you? Jidenna,
enough, please.
Enough
now. Are
you talking to me like that?
I'm talking my peace. What's all this now? See, I'm no longer a kid. Okay? Soon I'll be the king of this kingdom. Okay?
With this your attitude. With this attitude that you rule this kingdom.
Listen, Mother, if they cannot respect me, then let them fear me.
Oh.
Yes.
So what kind of a king are you? A tyrant king. What kind of a king are you? Jidenna, Digalia, with this attitude to do not favor you. You will not rule in peace. Digalia, Jidenna. I'm not Ademagaga. I'm not working Kebezio. I'm not working Zioku Jidenna. Digalia Kede. Rapuki to the other woman.
What's my peace again? I don't like this.
What is it?
I begged him not to body force this for me. I want me to be good. What do I tell my mother? Makego, you're not alone. This is what we are passing through in this palace. He did it to so many before you. We are maidens, born in ties. We are nothing. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Okay. Here, our pains, our tears are swallowed. If we decided to run, the guards will drag us back. And if you choose to speak, they will shut you up. See, every one of us serving here are representing our family for the debt they are owing the king. They are not going to set us free until this debt is fully paid. You have to be used to it.
Stop crying. My mother will kill me. Kill me.
I have called. I have waited. I have knocked on the doors of the unseen. But the gods are silent.
How can they be silent when the trembles? When my husband lies in pain right before them? Please, search again. Talk to them again.
Olórí Emume. Now one also. Etodi, onye agwa anyanu. Onye agwa anyanu. Onye agwa anyanu. Ngwa. When the gods are silent, it means that the matter is buried beneath the shadows. It means that the hand of a man is staring into the affairs of the spirits. Until that hand is revealed, no word shall fall from the mouth of the divine.
So after all this you are chanting and abracadabra, it brings up nothing. The goddess is asking for answers. Then you sit there and tell us about silence. Can you never hear?
Prince, mind your words. The chief priest doesn't speak for himself. He speaks what the gods tell him to do.
Great one, please look again. Please. Tell us if it's death that awaits at the door. I cannot rest until I hear more than silence from the gods.
The spirit watches us all. And I tell you for a fact, I shall return to the shrine tonight. The gods speak. I shall return with words. But bear it in mind, nobody shall sleep with false peace. The gods watches over us all. What do you call, man?
My waist.
How long will I continue like this? Every step each day fails me. But I must finish what I've started. I have to finish what I've started.
Let the gods fight for me. Let the gods fight for me. Miri Juga Wano. Amaramo Kamke Simabasiano. Let the gods fight for me.
Chetachi! 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 What happened to you? Hey. Chetachi! Every day, trouble comes to us. Yeah? Suffering comes to us. Hey! What happened to you? Okay, let's go. Let me take care of you, my daughter. Everything's going to be okay. Alright? Get up. Oh. Hey. Everything's going to be okay. Come with me. Hey. Gently. Forget the knife. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
I'm just poor and helpless. I'm poor and helpless. No one wants to go.
Iwe, iwe de wanyo na nyata wanyo. Iwe di kwanyi no bio. Iwe, iwe, iwe. Iwe de wanyo na nyata kolo wanyo. Iwe di kwanyi no bio. Iwe, iwe, iwe. Iwe de wanyo na nyata kolo wanyo. Iwe di kwanyi no bio. Iwe. Iwe, iwe, iwe de wanyo na miapo la danyo. Iwe de kwanyi no bio. Iwe, iwe, iwe. Iwe de wanyo na miapo wanyo. Iwe de kwanyi no bio. Iwe, iwe, iwe. Iwe de wanyo na nyate kolo wanyo. Iwe de kwanyi no bio. Iwe, iwe, iwe. Iwe de wanyo na nyate kolo wanyo. Iwe de kwanyi no bio. Iwe.
Ndị nne m, ụmụ nwanne m, ndị nwunye di m. Hey, what is the problem? Why the anger? Why? Can you put the problem? Gwanum, kai to ko elo no kai malo kai yesimie. Please talk.
My queen, your son defied my daughter, Wakingo.
We shall wait. Our eyes are open. Adam, mother, Lord, I am unpaid without prince. Ọ ga-apụta n'ahịa mara ihe anyị ji bịa because ọ dị too much.
My queen, we are women like you. You carried him, yes. Do not shade him. Mana ọ bụ na ihe a na-ekwu ọ bụ na o mere ya afọ ahụ iji bụ o site n'okwu ya. We demand justice. Justice.
Please, lower your voice. I swear by the gods, this is the first time I am hearing this. Biko, I will do something about it. I am not happy. This palace belongs to all of us. The maiden in question, I will call all of them and ask them questions and get to the root of this matter. Biko, oh, bagalon. Bagalon, no. Biko, uno yanaba.
Ndị nwunye di ụmụ nwanyị malụ mma ụmụ nwanyị ụmụ agụ I have said no problem. Go home and take your rest, eat and relax. I will get to the root of this matter. You will hear from me, please.
If justice is not served, we must come back here again.
And I promise you I will do something about it.
You promise,
yes,
and you will do your promise.
I will do it.
Let the gods fight for me. Let the gods fight for me. Miri juga wono.
Wakis, why did you sneak out? What is this rumor I hear from the lips of the women of this land? Why did you go to your mother first? I am the mother of this household. You should have come to me first. Tell me, what happened?
I was afraid. My mother's breast has always been my refuge, and I thought if I had spoken to her first, she would have known what to do about it. I never meant to bring shame to you or to the palace.
What did my son do to you?
My queen, I was called to serve the prince wine yesterday. Then I went to serve him wine. I knelt down. And the prince admired me with his eyes and tried to touch me, but I pulled away, saying I was only a servant. Then he laughed at me and said that he will soon be the king, that the king, your husband, is now dumb.
And then?
Then he called me into his chambers and asked me to wait for him. My queen, I only went there because he was your son and because he was a prince. Then I never knew that he would take advantage of me, my queen. I swear by the gods that I am telling the truth. You can ask Angulika. They were the ones that consoled me when I ran out from his bedroom.
Have I put into this world? You can go. I'll summon my son.
I'm just poor and helpless. I'm poor and helpless. No one wants to come into my head. I'm not a thief. I have never taken anything that does not belong to me before.
Has Hada regained his voice? Or is it because of those useless Magay women that were chanting outside?
How dare you? How dare you speak before me with such arrogance? How dare you talk to me about rest? Or you think I don't know? I do. Mwakego has spoken. Women of this land are chanting, and I want you to tell me with your own mouth, did you force yourself on Wakego?
Is that what she told you? Oyowagi? Why do all this maid like playing innocent and weak? They will lure you with their eyes. And when you act like a man, they will turn around and start crying. Like kids. Mother, please, don't let their lies bother you. I am the crown prince of this kingdom. So no woman, every woman will want to have a taste of me. I want to have some.
So because you think you are the crown prince of this kingdom, you think you have the right to destroy, right to tear innocence apart. The gods are watching. Already your father sits in silence, dumb as a child. And you are here, bringing more calamities to this kingdom, to this palace.
Enough. Enough. I'm your child. The heir to the throne. Soon I will become the king of this kingdom. And when I do, no woman will dare reject me. Who is Nwakego now? No, who is Nwakego that I have to take permission from her before I take what is rightfully mine?
You're right, you see.
Yes?
You're right. And you think your right is to destroy. Your right is to tear the innocents apart. You think the throne will cover your sins or protect you. No, it will expose you. The gods are not blind, neither are the people deaf. The kingdom already whispers that the palace is cursed. You do not see calamity walking through this wall.
My father the king is weak, but I'm not. I am not. Okay? Is it my fault? Is it my fault that Nwakego cannot carry herself with dignity and honor? Who is Nwakego that I have to take permission from her if I take what's right in mine? Listen, if she like, she should cry her blood. I don't care. And for those women that were chanting outside, if they like, they should chant from now till thy kingdom come. Mother, I'm still the prince.
You are a fool. You are a big fool. You did not see your doom waiting on your fate. Already the gods are angry. The spirit has spoken. If you do not change your ways or right your wrong, calamity will befall you.
I cannot succumb to fear. Not to you. Or to Nwakego. Not even to the God. I am the prince of this kingdom. And my will is law.
The gods are silent, calamity happening. Umagu kingdom,
You little girl. So you've grown wings. Right? You have the guts to declare my name to your mother. Do you know who I am? Are you aware who I am?
I only spoke with you because I could no longer bear the pain. You treated me like an object and not a maiden of this land. My body is not yours to break.
Silence! You don't talk of pains to me. You think my mother's soft heart will save you? You think the chant of those useless women will shed you? You don't know who I am. The moment you step your feet in this palace, it belongs to me. And I will deal with you.
The gods are watching you. You see all you do. Trust me, your powers will fail you. You will bear the consequences of your actions.
You see? The gods are silent. I'm still living. I'm breathing. I'm eating and I'm ruling. And for you, you crawl your nails till you beg me to die.
You will pay for everything. You will pay for everything! You will pay! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
What is this madness that has taken hold of the palace? Every year in this kingdom, I've heard of the shameful tale of the prince and the maiden. Eh? Is this what our father has left for us? That our own daughters will not sleep in peace because the prince has turned into a terror. Eh?
It has gotten worse than this. Didn't you hear that the women stormed the palace this morning? Chanting.
Really?
We don't need to sit down like nothing is happening in this place. We are in a big problem.
The gods are angry. Can't you see? First, the king lost his voice before the people. And his silence spreads deep into the heart of the palace. And now, shame upon shame follows. Eh? See, the kingdom is not at peace at all. At all.
Who do we hold responsible? Is it the king who cannot speak? Or the prince who has turned into a wild dog? The problem now is the women complain that their daughters are being defiled on a daily basis.
But that's true. That's true. That's true. Eh? See, we have to choose our words. We have to be very careful with our choice of words. Remember that the throne is still sacred. No matter what, the king still remains the father of the land. I am telling you, and we will not bring ourselves down to talk as common men. Let's just watch what we say.
Sacred or no sacred, we need to speak up. Let's not allow the silence of the king to destroy us. We need to speak up.
The gods are silent. Calamity are happening.
My husband, you have been restless since this woman's protest. Calm down. Calm down.
My king, you summoned me. Is everything all right? Why do you look at me like an enemy? Let me be.
My king.
What is it now?
My king, please.
Now let me be. Free me. Let me be now.
My king, please. My king, please. My king, please. Let him go, please.
Let me go.
I'm on my knees. I'm begging you. Please. Papa Justice with mercy, please. Do not destroy him out of anger. He's still your son. He's still our son. The gods have seen your pain. Please. Please.
Even in silence, you accuse me. Even without words, you judge me. You know what? Remain in your dumbness. But I want you to know that soon I will be the king of this kingdom. And I will be answerable to no one. I will be answerable to no one. Nonsense. And the prince
the gods are silent. Calamity are happening.
What is happening to this house? Misery has come with us.
Hunger is our companion. Sickness has tied my husband down. And shame sleeps in the bosom of my daughter. Has the gods turned their faces away from us? Why is our night darker than the night of every other family?
Stop crying.
Is that Fakego?
Papa, it's okay.
Is that Fakego?
Mama, stop crying.
Don't leave us yet. Don't leave us yet. Do not close your eyes yet. If you go, what will become of me? What will become of this girl, our only daughter, who carries a load bigger than her? Where is justice? Where is mercy?
Mama, stop crying. I will endure.
How?
Even if the whole world turns against me, I will endure.
If the king refuses to hear us, if the council are deaf to our cries, let the gods arise and judge. Let them hear the cry of a poor man's house. Chima!
Let the gods fight for me.
Do not be silent, oh
Let the
Lord.
gods fight for me.
Help! Is there Fakego? Is there Fakego?
Why have the gods sealed my tongue before now? Why now when my people need me? My ancestors, have I offended you? Tell me, why this silence has fallen on me? Do not let my enemies win. Do not let my son shame this land. Do not let my queen's heart turn cold against me. Give me back my voice so I can speak for my people. If I do not rise, the land will fall.
Your Majesty, this silence is not ordinary. The land is crying, yet our king cannot answer. The Medians are defiled. Families wail. The men whisper in anger. Your Majesty, if the gods cannot give you voice, then they are rejecting you. Go to our market. You will hear the people shout that the prince is a shame to the throne. He forces himself on our maidens and nothing happens. Your Majesty, if you cannot rule us, I suggest you step aside before the gods destroy us.
How dare you? How dare you? Step down for who? You? You? Or you? You old fools with second hands. What do you know about kitchen? What do you know about kitchen? Listen, I'm the crown prince of this kingdom. When my father dies, I, the prince, will become the king of this kingdom. And when I do, you old fools will call your names and beg me for this.
You little boy.
How dare you?
You stand here to insult the elders. The throne is not your toy, mind you.
Please, my elders, do not trade insults with my son. And you, Jidenna, show some respect to elders who have shouldered the burden of this kingdom even before you were born. Can't you see your father's condition? Or are you proud that the people of this kingdom are talking about your deeds?
Mother, you speak as if I'm scared of these men. I am not. Okay? I'm not scared of them. You hear me? I am the heir to the throne. Okay? If my father cannot speak, then let me be the tongue of this kingdom. Okay?
Your Majesty, we honor you. But we cannot honor silence. If the king cannot rule us, let him step aside. Before the gods destroy this land.
Please. You speak as if you do not know the weight of a crown. Or do you think it's easy to sit where the gods are striked? My husband's silence is not of his own making. Please give us some time. We will consult the chief priest. The palace has not abandoned the people. Bikun.
I've had enough. Yes. I've had enough. Guards! Guards! Send this old fool out of the palace. Now.
Greetings, my king. My queen. The chief priest has arrived, but he refuses to enter the palace. He said that the royal family must come outside to listen to the words of the gods.
We all come outside?
Yes.
Gods has finally spoken. For moons they have been silent, but their patience has ended. You have waited, you have watched, you have warned. The silence of the king, the shame in the palace, the suffering of the land are not just ordinary. Those are the hands of the gods pressing judgment upon us.
Chief priest, please, what offense have we committed that the gods turn their faces against us so that we will seek for forgiveness?
You, as Ifekando, have once sat on this throne with honor. Your words carry truth. Your hands carry fairness. But you have changed. You have deviated from your covenant with your fathers. You have forgotten the cries of the lowly. Your pride and greed has stained your reign. This the gods saw, and they are no longer silent.
Enough of all these riddles. Speak clearly. What's wrong with you? My father is dumb, yes? But must we stand here to be insulted? What's wrong with you? What covenant are you talking about? What low man are you speaking of?
Silence! You son of the throne! You speak as if you don't know, but your shadow knows. The silence of your father is the mirror of his deeds. Do not mock the spirits, else you shall drink deeper from the cups of their anger. Sometime not too long ago, the cry of the innocents rose up to the sky like a smoke. A poor man cried bitterly in the dark. His tears touched the earth, and the earth took him to the gods. The voice of this man has never been heard in this palace. His name whispered through the winds, and none of you have bent their ears to hear his cry. Because of that, the throne is cursed.
My king, my father farmed this land before me. Now, Chief Ikedineze wants to take the land, saying the land belongs to him. I'm a poor man. My yam, my cassava, and the food that my family eats comes from that land. If it is taken, what will I use to feed my family? Igwe, I do not ask for riches. What I'm asking is for justice. That the rightful owner of the land should possess the land.
Well, Ezef, I've heard you. And I've heard your cry. But I promise you, no man's cry will die under my reign. I have to invite Chief Ikedineze to this palace. Both of you will speak. There I will give my judgment.
Igwe,
shall be well with you.
May the gods bless your throne.
And you too.
My king, please, this land is all I have. Please, and my family feast from that land. Please do not let him take it by force. My king, from time immemorial, my family has been cultivating this very land. This man lies. Let justice be done. My king, I do not lie. My family has been farming that land for generations.
Zefakego, listen to me. Your daughter remains here to serve in the palace. Yes, that serves you right. And your family for trying to claim a land that does not belong to you.
Igwe!
Gas! Take them away.
Igwe! That suits them well.
My king, please. My king, please. Come on. My king, my friends. My father said it too. My king.
I think this is right.
Yes, it's right, Igwe. It serves them well for trying to claim a land that does not belong to them. Igwe, you will live long. Our forefathers will see you too.
You belong to this palace now. And as from today, you will personally serve me. Okay?
My prince, it is my duty to serve this household, not to serve only you.
Do you know that I can banish you right now? How dare you resist me? How dare you?
My prince, I do not care. Let me be.
Go to my chambers. Naked yourself and wait for me till I'm coming.
I am not coming.
How dare you? The crown prince is going to be happy. Does he want to drag?
My king, please hear me. I've been treated unfairly. I know I'm here to save the palace, but the prince, he made me do things against my wish. I know I am just a servant, but please, I need justice. My king, I do not lie. I do not wish to serve the prince in this way. Please, listen to me. I say the truth.
I'm just poor and helpless. I'm poor and helpless. No one wants to come into my head.
Next time you learn how to respect the palace, especially the prince. Let's go.
My king! My king! My king! My king!
I have never taken anything that does not belong to me before. Why my own case different? Why my own case different?
It's okay, Shikashi. It's okay, you're not in this alone. We have all felt his temper, his hands, and his words. He doesn't care who he hurt. You're not alone.
I thought I was alone. I thought I was the only one passing through this. I feared I was weak.
No, you are not weak. We have all suffered. He forces us to do things we don't want to do. He's all us for any little mistake. He makes us to fear every moment of our life. At times, I lie awake at night, imagine escape. We are trapped under his anger. We are not weak. This palace wall seems taller every day.
It's okay. We will endure. I will not break. I
thought I was the only one. I will not break. We are in this all together, okay? Together, we will survive. And one day, we will see the strength in us, or this palace will be against him.
What is the laziness all about? The whole palace is messed up. Are you maidens are here gossiping? Is that why you are here?
No, my friends. We are done with the actions.
Mama Wagaya now. Mama Wagaya? Are you silly? You're done with what? Look at the palace. You're done with what? Even I go to my chamber and wait for me. And make sure you're naked before I come in there. Move.
How long are we going to enjoy?
You say what? What did you just say now? Did I hear you, Momo? Eh? Can you go now? Get begala now. Useless. Better tidy up this the palace. You are here gossiping. If I hear you Momo again in this palace, I will behead you. Mebegisi. Why are you fidgeting? No, tell me. Why are you fidgeting? Are you scared of me? Are you not supposed to be happy that the crown prince wants you? Eh? Don't speak unless I say so. Listen, let me remind you why you are here. You are here because your father is owing. Your father is owing, so he belongs to me. From now on, anytime I need you, you come around here. If I say so, follow up. Can you hear me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
I understand.
So stop forgetting. Supposed to be happy. Am I not handsome? Are you not supposed to be happy? What is wrong with you? Eh? The crown prince wants you, I reject you. Are you stupid? Lie down! You think I'm begging you? It's my right. Boy, yeah.
Let the gods fight.
My head.
Let the gods fight.
Are you okay?
My stomach.
Are you fine?
My stomach.
Did I talk to me now? Are you okay?
Fight for me.
What is wrong with you?
Let the gods fight for me.
Tell us.
Fight for me.
Are you alright?
It's okay. We are here now. Don't be afraid. You can rely on us. Okay?
I hope it's not what I am thinking.
No, you're not alone. We are here for you. Okay?
Jidenna, what is the meaning of this? Tell me it's not true, that she's lying.
See, her mother, I don't know what she's talking about. Okay? She's lying. Can't you see? She's lying. She wants the fine boy, the crown prince. Don't mind her.
My queen, I am not lying. I carry the shade of the prince. He forced himself for me.
Don't be stupid. Okay? That I'm laughing doesn't give you the right to stand in front of my father and I. I'm talking nonsense. See, mother, she just wants to tarnish my image. Okay? She wants to marry the crown prince. Okay? Can't you see? You look handmaiden for that matter.
Silence! Your arrogance is too much. Silence, Jidenna.
We'll go back to your home. Simple. Don't bring shame to this palace.
Why am I suffering from the hands of my people?
Get up, let's go get away from this place.
Why am I suffering? Why am I suffering? Why am I suffering?
My son, my sweat, my life. After the king firstly took my land, the prince forcefully impregnated my daughter and disgraced my family. My daughter, I cultivated this land for my daily need. I fed you and your mother from this land. Why must it be you, my daughter? I have nothing left. No farm. No dignity. Igwe Fekando, I curse you. You are supposed to be the voice of the people, but you chose to remain silent. Your voice shall go silent when you needed it most. It's okay. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. My king.
The palace. The people. What terror reigns here? No. This must not be tolerated.
Even the maidens, the innocent ones, suffer under the prince. And the king remained silent.
How dare you? How dare you? I've said the prince of this kingdom. Mind your words.
Your Highness, the gods speak through the land and the people. You have not allowed justice. You and your son has taken lands and women forcefully. The people cry for relief. The cry of the innocent shall not remain unheard. You shall appease the family, Chetachi and Eziafakego. You shall return the lands you hold no right to. And to the women, you shall compensate. Else, there shall be calamity.
Tinker, tinker,
So your mother has the guts to enter this palace to consume nuisance? Huh? On your news. On your news! So your mother has...
My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince, what's wrong?
I cannot speak.
My prince. What's happening? My prince. My prince. My prince, what is wrong?
Wait, the king is gone. Now is the prince. Exactly. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Now, what?
The gods have finally visited. The pain you implanted on the maidens has come back to your lips. You wanted them to cry without a voice. Now you will taste silence. Do not fight her, my son. You can fight man, but you cannot fight the gods. They have remembered the tears of the weak, and they will not keep silent again. And to you, my husband, you sit and watch while our son scatter the dignity of this throne. You chose to keep silent while he brings shame upon this land. For how long will you hide the truth? For how long will you sit and watch? There's one more path left. And without that, this throne can never stand. The seed outside must be brought back home. Without the girl, without the child, this throne can never stand. She has to be brought back with the seed in her womb. She has to be brought back with the seed in her womb. If not, this throne can never stand. If not, you can never get yourself. You can fight me with your eyes, but you cannot fight the gods. If you wish this palace or this throne to stand, the girl must be brought back.
Your Majesty, the Queen, the Prince, I bring forth the last warning from the gods. The child Chetachi carries, if she dare gives birth to the child without being married to this palace as the prince's wife, calamity shall befall this kingdom. Crops will wither, the rivers will dry, thunder and sickness shall strike.
My husband, Jidenna, the gods themselves demand justice. You can no longer refuse this.
The prince, your pride and silence will cost this kingdom a whole lot.
Do what the God has commanded you to do. Or do you want these people to suffer? This is the message of the gods. Oje kabulu no. Neje mozi wuzi ogaranya ntienye. Enye maju mu pata ogaranya n'isi maju nyaju. Noje kabulu no.
This is the time to make things right. For your unborn child.
For the family. For this kingdom. And for your family. My king, this is the right time. This is the right time.
Whoosh! You are strong. You are strong. He's coming.
May the gods be praised. Oh, thank you.
If I blow off your head.
We can't see the queen.
Can't be so.
The queen.
Leave the queen.
Why are you pointing at this innocent woman?
Are they thieves?
Sorry, my queen, I'm just doing my duty.
What nonsense did you are you talking about? Are you okay? Do they look like thieves?
Pico, Nemi, don't be angry. What is the problem?
My queen, my husband cannot speak.
My queen, even my children cannot speak.
Okay, I've heard what you said. No problem. I will talk to my husband, please. You can go.
You should leave.
How dare you? How dare you?
My queen, hear me well. The gods are angry. The royal blood cries out. The punishment has begun. Do the right thing. One of the royal blood will die. A life will be taken from your own family. Act now. Restore justice. Honor the child and bring Chetati back into this palace as the prince's wife. Delay no further, else the kingdom and your family will suffer immeasurable loss. This is the message of the God.
The gods are silent.
This is no mighty of pride.
Calamity happening.
We must act fast. If not, our bloodline will pay for
May the gods never forsake us. Calamity is
My counsel, I have seen the suffering in our land. I will return the lands taken unjustly to their rightful owners. No family should go hungry because of greed or pride. And my son, the prince, he will marry Chetachi, the mother of his child. This marriage must happen to restore honor and peace to our kingdom.
Of course, Your Majesty. Oh, this is wise. Justice will bring back peace.
Indeed, yes. The gods will be pleased.
Oh, yes.
And our community will prosper again.
That's good. That was right.
Do not resist. This is the right path for the child, for the kingdom, for all of us.
Igwe.
Your Majesty.
Chetachi, my daughter, I know the wounds in your heart are deep. I know the palace has wronged you more than words can heal. But I beg you, do not turn your back now. The gods demand that my son take you as a wife. That is the only way the land can be restored.
Wife? My queen? Is that what you call it? Your son disgraced me. He took my pride, my dignity. He denied me and made mockery of me. Now you want me to become his wife? Where was the throne when I cried? Where was the palace when I begged for mercy? Now you come because the gods are striking your own house.
Cheta, you have every right to be angry. But I beg, please, do not turn your back on us. Your destiny is tied to the throne. If you refuse, the land will continue to burn. Please, my daughter, I am not commanding you. I come to you as a mother, as a woman. Cheta, please, have mercy.
I will not marry a man who forced himself on me. I will not smile at a palace that cast me in the mud. Let the cause see my heart. If they want justice, they should get it themselves. For me, I am not going back.
I am sorry. Please, Cheta, please show mercy. Have mercy. If you refuse, I fear the storm will be heavier than we thought. I beg you.
I am not going back.
My husband, we are back, but not with good news. I went to Chetachi's house I went to her house as a mother, as a woman who understands sorrow. I pleaded with her. Yet, she refused. I reminded her of the calamity that will befall this kingdom. Yet, she refused. My king, I know how you feel. I can see it in your eyes. I know you want to command. But the gods have sealed your lips. It's as if they mock you even in this shame. My husband, my son, I do not know what is left if Chetachi refuses to forgive. The calamity that will befall us here is yet unknown.
I have a letter for you from His Majesty. Please.
Letter from the king. Fakego. I do not command as a ruler, but as a man seeking peace, son of the soil. I know I wronged you. I know the throne brought pains to your house. But please have mercy. You spoke before the gods. You cursed my bloodline. Today, I beg you, if mercy lives in your heart, let it befall on my humble plea. Eze wronged me and my house. But because you came here in humility, I will withdraw the curse and take back my words. May the gods see my heart.
Eze Fakego, you just opened the door for peace. But the land still bleeds. Chetachi holds the key that will calm the anger of the gods. She needs to accept the prince. Because the royal blood that cries in this house, if not taken care of, will bring calamity to our kingdom.
Chetachi, my daughter, the gods have shamed us. To repair it, we will return your father's land, and more. We will make your lineage strong again. But please, look beyond your pain. Think of the kingdom. Accept my son, not because of him or for me, but please, because of the thousands of people that will perish if you refuse. I beg you.
My daughter, please forgive. I know and understand your pains. Sometimes the gods weave our clothes to cover a whole lot of people. If you refuse, the God will not only strike the throne, but the whole land, both the children and unborn. Please.
Adam, do not let pain swallow the kingdom. Mom, forgive, not for them, but because of your kingdom, your people. Oh, Mom.
Papa, Mama, the pain still lives in me. You know what they did? How can you ask me to forgive? Forgive the same people that
hurt us, humiliated me, and you want me to forgive the same people that stained us?
I can even kneel down with you. Please. For me. Please.
Chetachi.
Idenna, Chetachi, I bless this marriage. This union will bring joy and peace. If you people cannot take care of them, bring them to me. I will take care of them. This marriage shall produce peace in this kingdom. There will be peace on the throne.
My son. I can speak.
My son.
I can speak.
The prince speaks.
May the gods be praised. The king must hear this. I can speak. Yes.
Hey, the prince talked.
I can speak.
Oh.
May the gods be praised.
Adam.
Hey.
Ezeafakego has gotten his land back. Today, my son takes Chetachi as wife. May the gods restore my voice and the voice of my son.
And my people.
My king, I can hear you.
Did I talk?
You are talking. I'm hearing you.
Hey. Thanks to the gods of our land. I am happy now.
Let the gods breathe.
Oh,
Long live my king. Shall be well with you. Shall be well with you. Thank you, my king.
hey!
Oh no, the gods of our land. I thank you. I thank you. You have done it for me. Thank you, the gods of our land. Thank you, my ancestors. I am happy now. I am happy now. Ha ha ha! Hey!
Justice restored to the people and peace in this land.
It is done.
And to my beautiful wife, Chetachi, Ngalakwesili one no more. And my son, the royal bloodline, who will make sure that peace will reign in our kingdom.
It is done. It is done. Peace has been restored to the kingdom and our people are saved. And our family united. Let this serve as a reminder. Justice and compassion must guide every ruler.
Our kingdom is blessed. I promise that we will not fail them again. We will make sure that peace and harmony will reign in this kingdom. God.
Yes, my prince.
Bring out those wine.
Okay, my prince.
Yeah? Let's marry. Today is a good day.
That's for celebration.
Ngalakwesili work.
Wow. Hi. This is it. Hi. My land restored. Now an in-law to the king. Wow. My family is feeling okay. I'm so happy. Oh, the gods of our land, I thank you. I thank you very much for what you've done for me. Wow. I'm so happy. I think I'll go and have drinks in Grace's house now. Hey!
Hakuka